Hi children, before classes we are discussing about the divisions. In the divisions 3 digit, 4 digit and 5 digit number by 2 digit number I explained. Today we are discussing about the division by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, now see here division by 10, 100 and 1000. See, this topic I will explain in this video. Before only we are division 2 digit, 3, 4, 5 digit using only 2 digit number, but in these 3 digits are there. See once 10, 100 and 1000 is there. See till here I explained, but this is the 3 digit number, this is also 3 digit number. See means what in this? Here before class 2 digits means what? This is the divisor place. This I explained, but in this divisor 3 digits are there and 4 digits also is there. How to do the division I will explain. Okay, now see for example, see example number 1. See 283 is divided by 10. See 3 at a time I will explain, see children. Okay, 3 parts I will explain at a time. How to difference you will get easily. See now it will be 283 is divided by 10. See is 283 is a dividend and here divided place this is, it will be 10 is a divisor place. Okay, 283 is a dividend, 10 is a divided. See taking here we are taking here 2 digit number, here also we have to take 2 digit number. Then see here 10 2 is 20, 10 3 is 30, but here 28 is there. We have to take lesser value, means we have to take here 10 2 is 20. Now we have to do subtraction. Why? Because of his division is a repeated subtraction. Okay, now it will be 28 minus 20 is 8. Okay, 28 minus 20 is 8. Then later compared to 10, 8 is a smaller one. Next one more digit here left over. That leftover digit we have to draw here. We will become a 83. Okay, 83 means we are choosing 10 table. Then 10 8s are 80. Okay, now he is here. Subtract here 3 we got. See compared to here leftover digits also completed. We got here 3 compared to dividend divisor. Then here dividend place value is lesser. Then leave like this only. See whatever leftover number we have to say is that is the remainder. Okay, quotient is this one right side. Quotient how much we got? Quotient is 28 we got. Remainder is equal to 3. Already divisor is 10, dividend. See here whenever we are dividing, we are remainder is 1 digit number, that is a 3 we got. Okay, next one second 10 over, next I am explaining immediately, divided by 100. See example number 1, 8362 is divided by 100. 8362 is divided by 100. See children, 8362 is a dividend. In the given example, 8362 is a dividend. Now what is the divisor? Divisor is 10, 100. Now this is a 3 digit number. Before we are discussing about 2 digit number, now it will be divisor is a 3 digit number. See how many times here divisor is 3 digits is there. In this dividend also we have to take 3 digits. we have to take 3 digits. See children, 100 1 ja 100, 100 2 ja 200, 100 3 ja 300, 100 4 ja 400, 100 5 ja 500, 100 6 ja 600, 100 7 ja 700, 100 8 ja 800, 100 8 ja 800, 100 9 ja 900. See children, here 100 8 ja 800, 100 9 ja 900 we got, but we need here only 800. But 900 it will be more than 836. That's why we have to take how many times? 8 times we have to take 100 8 ja 800. Now do subtraction. 6 3 and 36. Compare to 100, here 3 digit number, here 2 digit number we got. Then leftover digit is what? 2 is there. Then draw 2 here. Next we are reading about 100 table. Then we got 100 1 ja 100, 100 2 ja 200, 100 3 ja 300. We need here 300, 100 3 ja 300. Here subtraction. The subtraction is 2 and 6. 62 is the leftover. Leftover number whatever it will be, we have to call is a remainder of the given division. Same it will be coefficient how much in the coefficient is equal to 83 we got. Here remainder is 60. Okay, remainder is 60. Next in this next question, divided by thousands and explaining. Example here 9,673. 9,673 is divided by 1000. Okay, now it will be 9,673. Here whatever should be 1000. 1000 1 ja 1000. With the subtraction we will get 3 7 6. Now remove coefficient only. Coefficient only we got 1. Then remainder is equal. Remainder is 673. Okay. This is the division by 10, 100 and 1000. See children, every time we can't do the division, one simply method is there in the only using of only this division by 10, 100 and 1000. How to see children, here first dividend is 3 digit number, then here see children, coefficient is 2 digit number, then remainder is 1 digit number. See, whatever dividend digits are there, those digits only is there in the coefficient. Okay, whatever digits are 283 is there. Last 283 only is there. See in this here 8362 is there. Same coefficient 8362 we got. See here 9673 is there. Same it will be year 1. Sorry, here 9. Okay, 9. Here 9. 9673. Same digits are there, but it will be divided some. Okay, na? Meaning what? Here see. Here 10 is there. Remainder we got 3. See, compared to 10. See here, if we are removing 0, then only we have to take our leftover direct number. For example, 893 is there. Sorry, 897 is divided by 10 means 897. See here, 283, remainder is last digit we got. By the same way, in the divided by 10, in 897 also, we have to take last digit is a remainder of the given number. By that means what here 89 is a coefficient, remainder is 7. Every number in division by 10, every number any 5 digit number, 2 digit number, 8 digit number and 9 digit number divided by 10 also, we have to take out the last digit. That last digit is a remainder. Last digit is a remainder. Okay, say here 3 is there, that is the 3 is the remainder. Here 7 is there, 7 is the remainder. If 0 is there, if 0 is there in ones place, the number should be having the remainder is 0. In division by 10, we have to take out 10 is having only 1 0, that's why we have to take out last digit, that is the remainder of the given number. By the same way 100 also, here 2 digits are there, it will be 62 is a remainder. Here 2 zeros are there, 2 digits is remainder. Means what? In the division by 100, we have to take out the, in the given number last 2 digits we have to take out, those 2 digits are remainder of the given number. See, when in the division also we got same. See, our last 2 digits only we got the remainder in this example. Any number also 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 digits. If any digit number also is the last, take out the last 2 digit number, last 2 digit, that is the remainder of the division by 10, 100 and 1000. See here 1000 is having 3 zeros, then we got the remainder is also same, last 3 digit, that is a 673. This like this we will get the division by 100 or 1000 also. Take out the last 3 digits in the given number, that is the remainder of the division by 1000. This is the way we have to do the division of the division by 10, 100 and 1000. Isn't it? Thank you, children.